Hello students. Now class 7, from roots the chapter is from my home environment. In my last class I just started this chapter, that was part 1, today part 2. Now my home environment, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Again I am repeating, he was a famous Bengali writer, music composer and received Nobel Prize in Literature in the year of 1913. Now, this my home environment is taken from his writing, The Reminiscence, meaning that is the old memories. Rabindranath Tagore wrote this book, Reminiscence, before his departure to Europe and America. At that time, his health was not good. Now, in this book, the part taken from this my reminiscence, that is my home environment, there Rabindranath Tagore recapitulated, that is he recapitulated his old memories concerning his own home, his family environment. Rabindranath Tagore brought up in a big family where there were many family members. Now, in that family, the children were not allowed to enter into the gathering of the elder persons. So, but in the family, he wrote that he was very fortunate because he brought up in the literary and artistic environment. He had one elder cousin named Gyanendra. He was very fond of recitation, fine arts, and in his house, in his home, all the members were fond of nationalism. It was depicted, but India was during that time under the British rule. In the dress, in their language, everywhere, in every aspect, it was depicted that they had a strong feeling for their own country, for nationalism. Now, when Rabindranath was a child, Gyanendra died in his prime youth. That is his elder cousin, and it was a very, very sad incident for them. Now, that Gyanendra had strong personality and so attractive, he could gather all the people around him. Now, Gyanendra had one younger brother named as Gunendra. He filled the house with his personality. His large, gracious heart embraced alike relatives, friends, guests, and dependents. Now, Rabindranath Tagore said that we were too young when, so we could not enter into the gathering of the elder persons, but we could taste the merriments of their gathering, their dramas and everything. Rabindranath Tagore never got prize in any school activities, but always in good conduct. One of his nephew name was Shatta. He was very good in studies and always got prize in academics, in school activities. Rabindranath Tagore did not feel any jealousy. He became very glad with the achievement of Shatta. Now, again, Rabindranath Tagore's elder brother, he always inspired Rabindranath Tagore to write more poems. Now, again he wrote, Tagore wrote that the children had much curiosity to enter, to peep into the rooms of the elder people, what they were talking, what they were discussing. And he said that nowadays we don't have such majlis. Majlis means where people gathered and they had very discussion, they are eating their food, they are laughing like that. Nowadays we don't have any such majlis. Now, last of all, he said he recapitulated the golden memories of his childhood age. Now, today this is the story. Last day also I discussed. Here, all of you, my students, you write the meaning. All of you ready and write. Number 1, boisterous. B-O-I-S-T-E-R-O-U-S. Boisterous. Dash. noisy and full of life and energy. Noisy and full of life and energy. Number 2, conceits, 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 clever artistic devices, clever artistic devices. Now then fertile, 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 dash, producing many new and creative ideas, producing many new and creative ideas. Now then EAVES DROPPING, eavesdropping, eavesdropping, dash, secretly listening to a conversation, secretly listening to a conversation. Then exuberantly, 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 dash, full of energy, comma, excitement and cheerfulness, full of energy, comma, excitement and cheerfulness. Next, POEAN, POEAN, poem, dash, a happy song of praise, a happy song of praise. So POEAN, poem, dash, a happy song of praise. Now next, REVELLED, revealed, REVELLED, revealed, dash, got great pleasure from a situation or experience, got great pleasure from a situation or experience. Now buffetings, 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 dash, the act of knocking something, the act of knocking something roughly and repeatedly, the act of knocking something roughly and repeatedly. Next, majlis, MUJLIS, MUJLIS, majlis, dash, private place where house guests and friends are received and entertained intimately. Right, all of you write. Again I am repeating, majlis, MUJLIS, majlis, dash, private place where house guests and friends are received and entertained, received and entertained intimately, intimately. Now then you write forgether, FOREGATHER, FOREGATHER, forgether, dash, to meet together in a group, to meet together in a group. Now deserted, 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 dash, with no people in it. Deserted means with no people in it. Ceased, CEASED, ceased means stop. Ceased means stop. Now CONTRIVE, 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 to succeed in making something happen despite difficulties. Contrive, 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 dash, to succeed, SUCCEED, succeed in making something happen despite difficulties. Now these are all the meanings, okay? Now today up till this, again I will continue another part. There are few question answers. What I will give you, that is all. You prepare accordingly, that is enough. Okay, best of luck. See you again.